So before you start to move on to your main piece, what I would certainly recommend is you have a little play in advance and start to get a feel, and this is a medium grade steel wool, start to get a feel for how much pressure you need to, if I could get the tip of my finger in there, it would really help. That's it. Because what we actually want the tip of our finger underneath the pad so that you're controlling the level of pressure that you're putting, and you've got an idea that you can feel the ridges. So when we go over this horse mane, you see that I've just lifted up those details on the horse mane, and we go through and we can do the same again on the other side and lighten those up. And you can see the contrast that we're starting to get. You can start to see the details. Can you see them starting to pop out? I'll show the overhead camera, but again, we'll get the brush, really work that into the leather, and then a cloth, and take off any excess dust. And you can see even there, barely any excess dust is coming off this. And just sweep the filaments to one side. And even from here, we can judge, well, how dark is this going to go when we come to seal it? So I know that there's quite a variance, and I want to have some areas which are really much lighter than others. But at the same time, you're not going to lose the detail by it just being one colour when you come to finish. So that now you can see how much I've taken that back. And just make sure the camera can actually see it.